Dear viewers, today I am going to show you the 4 channel sensor card with power supply. Okay, so this sensor card is calibrated for the DC voltage and current. Okay, so this card is specially developed for 2 voltage and 2 current sensor. Okay, so this DC voltage sensor is calibrated with 750 volt DC to 3 volt average output, and the current sensor is calibrated with 10 ampere to 3 volt average. Okay, and both this is the DC sensor card, so the offset is 0 for the both voltage and current. So when I am turning on this sensor, this offset value is 0. Okay, you can get the offset value is 0. Now we will set up the voltage sensor first and see the output value. Okay, so first you can see you can get something. We have already discussed the calibration value with 0 offset, and you can get something output like this. Okay, so input voltage is 750 or 10 ampere, so output voltage is 10 volt or 10 volt. Okay, so likewise this you can see the output voltage. Okay, and we will check the performance on these values. So first we will check the performance on voltage sensor. Okay, so we will set the setup and see at 300 volt input voltage, and you can get the output voltage is 1.22 volt average. So now we will see. Now we have set up the voltage calibration. Okay, so now we will increase this value 300 volt, and you can get the output is 1.22. So you can see the input voltage is set to 300 volt, and we have get the output voltage is 1.22. so you can see here the mean value. So mean value is 1.22 volt. Okay, so you can get the proper output as per the calculation. Okay, now we will increase up to the 375 volt, means half of the 750 volt, and see the output value. You can get the 1.5 volt average. Okay, so here we have set the 375 volt, and we get the output voltage is 1.52 volt. Okay, so likewise this here. Now we will increase the voltage up to the 600 volt and see the output value. Okay, so you can see here the input voltage is 600 volt, and you can get the output voltage is 2.42 volt. Okay, so you can see here 2.42 volt, and the calculated value is 600 volt to 2.4 volt average. So you can get the exact output voltage here. Okay, so likewise this you can use this voltage sensor output. Okay, and now we will see the current sensor, and we'll discuss later to the calibration, how to calibrate it. So now we have set the current sensor. Okay, so current sensor is connected in between the series to the load. Okay, so now we will see the output voltage. Okay, so at first we have checked the 5 ampere to 1.5 volt output voltage. Okay, so now we will increase the current up to the 5 ampere. Okay, so the current is 5 ampere. Okay, then at the 5 ampere how much output it is, by the calculation you can get the 1.5 volt, and you can see here the output voltage. Okay, so output voltage is 1.5 volt. Okay, so exactly you can get it. Now we will increase the current up to the 10 ampere. Okay, so current is now set to the 10 ampere. Then you can get the output voltage is 3 volt. By calculation you can get the 3 volt output voltage, so you can get the 3 volt. Okay, so likewise this you can adjust, you can set the values. Okay, now we will see the how to calibrate this. Okay, so now our current is 5 ampere. 5 ampere. Now if you want to set any offset or gain, then you can use it this two port. Okay, first you can see the offset. Okay, so offset in the DC current and voltage sensor, your offset value is 0. Okay, then if you want to change the gain value, then you can use this port. Okay, at the 5 ampere current I want 1.6 volt. Then by using this gain port, when I am wearing this port, gain port, then I see the effect of this. Okay, so you can see when I am wearing this port, the value is decreasing. Okay, so likewise this you can adjust your output values. Okay, and when it is off, then if you want to set the offset value, so our offset value is 1.6 millivolt. If you want to change to 0, then you can adjust this offset value. Okay, by using this offset port, you can vary it and you can adjust it accordingly. So this is increasing. Now we have anti-clockwise, then you can decrease the value. Okay, so likewise this you can vary this offset and gain port, and you can set your output values accordingly. All the arrangement are there for the voltage and to current, so you can change accordingly and you can get the output voltage. So thank you very much.